What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Barnbridge, which has pumped up once again 15% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $4.60. So we're going to be going through its predictions. As you guys can see, over the last couple of weeks it has been very volatile, up down up down up down. So it's been a repeated cycle of pumps and drops in value. So is this a really good investment? Is it not? That's what we're going to be covering, and especially going into 2024, should you be holding Barnbridge? How high can it go next year? Is it worth investing into it? Looking at its predictions from both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So we are looking at the daily chart, and the purple line here, which is the SMA indicator, which gives us the average value of Barnbridge, is here at $3.87. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in red at $4.60, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Barnbridge over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should see bond trading at slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. My prediction is that it should be dropping below $4.40, potentially down to about between $4.20 and $4.30. is where I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, over the next couple of hours, it is likely it is going to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to $4.90. $5 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be pumping up to. But after that, it should essentially start slowly dropping in value later on this evening. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Barnbridge over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting the crypto to be heading up to near about the $5 mark. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to see dips in between, just like what we saw on the daily chart, which you're going to see in a second. But again, overall, the overall outcome is the positive direction, but do expect dips in between. So hitting about $5 towards the end of the week is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks still looking bullish, but at this point we're not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning a slow and steady increase in value is what is expected from Barnbridge over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023. So essentially towards the end of the year, we should expect an overall increase in value from Barnbridge, but again, it is going to be a minimal increase. My expectations are it should be hitting around $7.50 by the end of the year. Don't get me wrong, it could be much higher than that or much lower than that, depending on how the crypto market performs. But at the moment, this is my take on the crypto. And again, as mentioned earlier on, as you guys can see, it's been increasing, dropping, increasing, dropping, so on and so on. So that is exactly what's likely to take place over the next 7 to 8 days. Right now is increasing. It should drop over the next couple of days and then increase again towards the end of the week, hitting around over $5 is what my predictions are. But again, towards the end of the year wise, it should be hitting just over $7.50 in target. But again, those of you wondering about 2024, is Barnbridge a good investment? Personally, yes it is, but I wouldn't invest into it right now. I would wait for it to drop back down in value, potentially down below $4 or as low as it can get, to be honest with you guys. Again, if you guys want regular updates on Barnbridge, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular or even a daily basis on Barnbridge. But again, if I did really want to invest into the crypto, I would wait for it to drop back down in value, potentially ideally even dropping below about $2.50. And for those of you guys looking to sell it, I would wait for it to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment and take out my profits only if you guys are looking to sell it. But again, I'm just giving you guys my take and my prediction. If you guys want to sell it now, go for it. If you want to wait, then wait. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, and we are still in the red zone, but we don't have that long to go to hit the resistance target, which is $13.91. Again, to some of you guys it may seem like it is a long way, and to others it may seem like it's not. Personally, to me, it's not a long way. We should be able to hit the resistance target here by mid next year. And again, when it comes to cryptocurrency, guys, 6, 7, 8 months is not that long. Trust me, guys, it's been way worse than, you know, the previous years. But again, 6 to 8 months is a decent time. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs, with any crashes or pumps or gains or anything like that. This will have a major impact on the time frame when Barnbridge is likely to hit the resistance target, and these things will have a major impact, and I'm pretty sure there will be a lot in between. But that is why I'm here to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market and what to predict and what to expect as well. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale as well. So let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 400%, making it $54 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading over the last 24 hours. But again, the trading volume has, you know, been increasing over the last week or even last month. It's been doing absolutely crazy, guys, and it is only about to get better and better. So yeah, it is one of the top trending cryptos right now and top gaining cryptos as well. So yeah, it is getting a lot of attention from both investors and sellers point of view. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.